عندي خوش فاصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقص يا أخي تفوز عندي خوش فاصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقص عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب سمع سبوحة خطبها نصيب بتعطيها كف وهز شتوكين خليك شبيب عطني رقصة فريسة زيد عليها شوي عندي بيزة قلتها اللي عارفة صيدة سويلي وقت دار هيبة يا سوي رقصة بياض يبلي واحد كرك هلا بياض طق سيارة بوليس هلا يلا سوي رقصة ثانية رقصة
Populasi মহিলা
Now
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, dear Sir John, Sir Xavier, respected senior and junior teachers, Didis, Bhaias, and my dear juniors. Today, I stand here with heart full of emotion and gratitude. My journey in this school began in class 2. And today, as a class 12 student, I realized that I have spent 11 beautiful years in this school. This school has been more than just a place of learning, but a small family of myself. I still remember walking into this school as a small child, nervous and curious. Over the years, this place taught me not only academics, but also discipline, confidence, friendship, and value that will stay with me for my whole life. Every classroom, corridor, and assembly ground holds memories that I will never cherish. I would like to sincerely thank respected Principal Sir and Sir John for leading this institution with wisdom, discipline, and care. Your guidance has shaped generations of students, including us. A special thank you to the junior and senior teachers, those who have stayed with me till now. A special thank you to Didis and Bhaias, those who have seen us from childhood till now and never left us alone. To be honest, class 12 was not as fun as class 10 because most of the time my classmates used to be absent. But class 10 holds a special memory in my heart. Thanks to Joshina, Janak, Chinmoy, Bhavan and Abhijit. When I came back in class 11, they were not here with me. The school felt quieter and emptier for me. And as a prefect, I would also like to say sorry if I was ever too strict or too hard with anyone. Every action I took was a responsibility and care. And I hope you all forgive me for this. Thank you so much.
Good morning to the respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today marks the end of a beautiful journey and the beginning of many new ones. These years have given us not just education but memories, friendship and life lessons. I sincerely thank all our teachers for their guidance, patience, constant support and let the you shape us for who we are today. To my friends, thank you for every love, every struggle, and every unforgettable moment. Thank you and a goodbye.
my dear teachers, and to our dearest class 12 students who will be leaving us soon physically, and to all my dear students. As one of you, and as one of the class 12 says, yes, today is an emotional day for joy and sadness. Joy, it is a moment of joy because they have worked so hard. And one of the students at Rose said, she joined here from class 2, so that means 11 years. That means I have accomplished all these 11 years. I have managed. Now I'm going for the better life. That I'm going to prove myself. So all of you are going to prove yourself. Yes, we have done successfully up to this year. So I'm going to the next phase of life. So dear class 12 students, I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Now come the real life, which now there is, you are breaking up from your umbilical cord. That means now you are able to stand by yourself. Up at the school level, you are protected by the school, by the teachers, by your parents. Now you are your own. Like I used to say to some students, if you want to learn to swim, just throw it. Of course, in the beginning, not in a very deep water. If you do not know to swim, throw out outside in the water. If you want to live your life fully, if you have your aim in life, if you want to live well, whatever the difficulty, you will learn by yourself to swim across the river. So the same thing now the school have taught you for so many years. So now is the time for you. Yes, I have learned this. I learned to swim. I have my goal to reach. And from now onwards, you will be proving, contributing to the society. Yes, I have learned all these years. Now I want to contribute something to the society. So maybe after a few years of your studies, you will be working, which your contribution will be counted in the society. So the school will remember you all, and you have grown, some of you have grown to be leaders. In the class, in the school itself, we have given small responsibilities. So this will help you, maybe as a class captain, as prefects, as school leaders, whatever it may be. So this will help you in your future life. And kindly don't forget our school, the values that we have tried to inculcate in you, all the good values, and we want to see you do well in life. We want you to fare well in life. And it will be our pride to see one day in the future, yes, today I'm so and so. Few years back I was here as a student, and today I'm here standing in front of you as maybe as a DC, as an inspector, as a doctor, as an engineer, or as a politician, and more so maybe even as a prime minister or president. So there is a possibility. So there is endless possibility. So my dream is that maybe one day you will come back to visit St. Xavier Public School and to narrate all this. So fulfill your dream. Go ahead in life. And as I used to say in the morning assembly, if you cannot fly, run. to achieve your goal. If you cannot run to achieve your goal, walk. If you cannot walk to achieve your goal, to reach your goal, at least crawl. So to show that there is some movement is there, there is a progress is there. So I wish you all the best for your forthcoming exam and for your life. That's all. Once again, thank you for helping our juniors, class 12 students, for helping our juniors to become better students and by giving your good example to our students.
कर देखिए
आंसर लिखो। अबे पीछे देख, तेरे पे शक आ रहा है। वो बोल। अरे वो नहीं ना मैं। मैं आखिरी बार पूछ रहा हूँ, कॉपी कौन कर रहा है? There are lots of electrons in your friend in the electron is high within that particular radius. पहला आंसर होता है समाप्त।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सर जी सर जी सर
थैंक यू सर, पेपर बहुत डिफिकल्ट था।
दी एक तू कर दिया अंग्रेजी पढ़ दी गिट तू कर दी जिम्मे कोई न साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंडी बिग बैंड दी पूरा लंदन धमकदा
Also for ensuring that this is done in a good manner, the teacher for supporting the Bhai and Didi. I don't have any words, that's the thing to start with. This is the first speech, most likely I will not have words because all these students have been seen from so small children. They are still like little children for me. We will miss you surely. But then, like I spoke yesterday to one of the students, the nest is supposed to be left for higher grounds. The baby birds was dependent on its mother for food. She used to go get the food and bring it. But the birds now have grown up. The wings are brighter. They have learned what is required to be learned. And they have to fly to find new places in life. There will be challenges. There will be new friends. You have to find who is good and bad. There will be new life, new freedom. You have to be responsible with that freedom. Because we know who you are. I will tell you a small story, an interesting story, a short one. There was a father who wanted to take loan. He went to a bank. He took his educated son with him. He had done his engineering. The father was illiterate, so he asked his son to fill up the form. And the son said, I don't know how to fill the form, even though I have completed my engineering. The meaning of the story is, bookish knowledge alone will never help you. You have learned from books. You have. You have learned how to write. You might have. But real life does not come from books. Books are just a way to help you to learn how to read and write and speak. The real life teaches you exactly what you will have to do in your life. Take calculated risks. Take that is required in life. Fly high. Maybe you are not going the right way. You understand what is it then. Correct the path. Maybe it is something wrong. Correct it yourself. But then there is always opportunity for you. So don't be like boy who written the form, who was not able to write the form, even though he had completed his engineering. And there's another story which I have got very interested while I was reading it. There's a village in UP. The village name is Jiwa. This village was selected by the airport authority to create an airport. And the farmers of that village got good price for the land. Some had 20 biga, 100 bigas of land, and they got crores from the government. Some got 10 crores, some got 20 crores from the government. They were illiterate. They did not know what to do with that money. What they did was they made one person, he had got 3.5 crores. He made a house worth of 3 crores and he went back again to farming. He was not even able to upkeep the house he built in 3 crores. So what I'm trying to say is, even if you have wealth, but you don't have knowledge, then still it is wasted. So your real wealth is your own knowledge, Your real wealth is where to apply that knowledge. Your real wealth is your good friends. Your real wealth is that what name you create for yourself. Your real wealth is your parents. Your real wealth is the teacher that have inspired you always. My prayers for you, grow, be happy. Whatever it is, you will be good, you will be great, you will be awesome. And that's what we want you to be. You are our awesome children. Have a wonderful life ahead. Yes, very best for your exams. Prepare well, do it well. This is your life to take. Go ahead for it. Have a wonderful day ahead and life.
Make some noise for the Desi boys! D-boys! D-boys!
Disturb you when I'm talking.
मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेनोरिटा।
मुझको को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना की जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। मुझको थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना की जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। रजनी सदा चैन रजनी सदा चैन।
इसका
subject directly. The other player has to guess the teacher within 60 seconds. No hint like initials, subject name or direct clues are allowed. Time limit is 60 seconds only. So seniors, are you ready to prove how well you know your teachers? Let's call our first participant on the stage with a big round of applause. It's a newcomer, sir, who joined last December in our school. This seat was disqualified as hints was given proper. Yeah, that was a correct guess. It was Dolly Mills. And this team was won by Rosebud and Sabrinbud. A big round of applause. Some objects like paper, bottle, chocolates, etc. will be placed on a table. The table will be shown for exactly 60 seconds. After that, it will be covered and the senior has to list as many objects as they remember. The one who remembers the maximum number of objects will win a gift. There will be a separate round for each senior. So seniors, focus your eyes and sharpen your memory because every second counts.
Boundary, bottle, highlighter, pen, marker, rubber, stapler pin. Yes. Mike.
Rosebud guessed all the answers correctly. A big round of applause for her. Sabrinbud guessed 9 answers correctly. But it's time for Raju Bhaiya.
फोटो काढतो असा होणार ज्याने वातावरण ताईट मस्त खुशी मध्ये बायको माझी करीन तुलो फाईट माझा होऊ दे पगार गिफ्ट करतो रिंग लाईट नको मला चहा खाली आता जेवण करून जा.
Raja Bhaiya guessed 9 answers correctly.
माझी सिंपल नसले जर